Hello B20063, my name is EJ Rios. I'll be teaching you guys how to put on your ranks, ribbons, and name tag on your AFJROTC blue shirt. Right here in the corner we have a pair of enlisted ranks, some ribbons, and a name tag. Starting off with the ranks. So, first you need to identify what a chevron is. If you don't know what a chevron is, the chevrons are the wings on your ranks. So right here, as you can see, I have 6 wings, or 6 chevrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your goal is to have the tips of your first chevron to be touching the inside seam on your collar. So these are the tips right here. This and that. If you guys don't know what the seam is on your collar, it's these guys right here, the dotted lines inside the collar. Like I said before, you want the tips of your first chevron to be touching the inside of those seam. As you're doing that, you want the bottom tip of the rank to be directly flushed at this edge right here. Let's give that a try. As you can see, I just put on my enlisted rank. I have both my tips right here touching the inside of my seam, while the bottom tip of my rank is directly flushed to the edge of my collar. That should be really simple, and we'll now move on to our name tag. Your name tag always sits on the right pocket of your uniform, but when you're putting it on, you'll be on a third person perspective. So you'll be putting it on the left side, which is right here. Your goal for your name tag is to have it centered to your pocket while directly over top and flush to this pocket line right here. As you can see, I just put on my name tag and it's sitting in the center of the pocket, while the bottom is directly over top and flush to the pocket line right here. You want it to be straight and not crooked, just like that. Moving on to the ribbons. So your ribbons always sit on the left pocket of your uniform, but when you're putting it on, you'll be on a third person perspective, so you'll be putting it on the right side. Your goal for your ribbons is similar to the name tag. You want the bottom to be flushed and directly over top of this pocket line right here. As you're doing that, you want it to be centered to the pocket. To determine if it's centered or not, you want the midpoint of your middle ribbons to be parallel to this button right here. That helps you determine that your ribbons are centered to the pocket. Let's give that a try. Okay, I just put on my ribbons. As you can see, the bottom is directly over top and flush to the pocket line right here. It's not crooked, it's straight, and it's centered to the pocket. That concludes the tutorial. Hopefully this video helps and should give you guys an easy 100 on your next uniform inspection.